Hello everyone, welcome to another video of my YouTube channel. Today here in this full video we will talk about iOS 17 update stuck on preparing update on iPhone. Now how to fix iOS 17 update stuck on preparing update on iPhone. So lot of iPhone and iPad users reported that how to fix iOS 17 stuck on preparing update on iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 11, 11 Pro Max, X, XS Max or XR. So here's the solution. I will give you some solutions. Please watch this full video to learn how it works. Now let's begin. First of all, reset network settings on your device. To do this, first of all go to settings. Then here tap General. Now scrolling down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here tap Reset. Now tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Then again tap on Reset Network Settings. And it will easily reset network settings on your device. And also this will help you to fix the issue for iOS 17 update. Now we'll see second solution. Check your Wi-Fi connection or turn on and off Wi-Fi. To do this, first of all go to settings and here you will find Wi-Fi option. Tap on that and check your Wi-Fi connection. Then turn it off for a while and then again turn it on. So that's how Wi-Fi turn on and off on your device, and this will help you to fix the issue for iOS 17 update. Now the third solution is turn off low power mode on your device. Now to turn off low power mode on your device, first of all go to settings and here tap on battery. Now here if the toggle is on next to low power mode, then turn it off. So this will easily turn off low power mode on your device, and it will help you to fix the issue for iOS 17 update stuck on preparing update. Now I will show you fourth solution, and the fourth solution is turn on and off airplane mode on your device. To do this, first of all launch the settings app and here you will find airplane mode easily. Simply turn toggle on next to airplane mode, wait for a while and then again turn it off. And that's how easily you can turn on and off airplane mode on your device. Now we'll see fifth solution, and the fifth solution is turn on and off your iPhone. Now to turn off your iPhone, first of all go to settings on your device. Next here tap on General. Now scrolling down and tap on Shutdown. So this will easily turn off your iPhone. Now we'll see sixth solution, and the sixth solution is turn off VPN. To turn off VPN on your device, first of all go to settings and here tap on General. Then here tap on VPN and device management. Next here tap on VPN. If your VPN is turned on, then you can turn it off from here. That's it. That's how easily you can fix the iOS 17 update stuck on preparing update on your iPhone. Hopefully this video will help you, and if it is, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.